Friends, welcome to the online video class of computers. Today we are going to start with the revision, and here I am giving you some fill in the blanks of all the chapters which are coming in your exam. Okay, so I am not mentioning here any particular chapter number. Okay, so this is our assignment number 32. This is the last assignment we are sending to you. After this you will not get any videos because you will get the preparation leave for your exams. Okay, so children, just utilize this time and learn and study at home. Okay, so let us start with the revision. So first question is fill in the blanks. First part, dash is a small vertical line that blinks on the document. Now children, whenever we type something on the document window, see children, this is the document window. Whenever we open MS window, MS Word, whenever we open it, there the white screen which we see here is the document window. Whenever we start typing on it, we must have seen that there is a small line blinks on the document. And whenever we type something, it gets just shifted towards the right hand side. Okay, so that line, that small vertical line is known as what? It is known as cursor. C-U-R-S-O-R, cursor. Okay, children? Now, point number 2, dash ruler contains left margin and right margin. Now children, we have studied that there are two types of rulers present on the document window of MS Word. What are they? Yes, they are horizontal ruler and vertical ruler. Okay. Now vertical rulers are like they are standing in standing way. Okay. And the horizontal rulers are from top and bottom. They lie on top and bottom. So horizontal ruler contains which margin? Yes children, left and right margin. So here we will write down horizontal. Okay. Third point, dash bar is present at the top of MS Word window. Now children, which bar is present at the top of the MS Word window? It is a horizontal bar. Yes, it is known as the title bar. Title bar is present at the top of MS Word window. Okay, and the title bar represents the name of the file. Okay, with the name which you have saved the file. Now, point number 4. The default extension of MS Word 2013 document is dash. Extension means children, like if we are done with the work in our document and we want to save it, then from whenever we save it, we just give the name. Okay, a dialog box appears and it asks for us to type the name, to which name you want to save the file. Then after, whenever we type a name, suppose I want to write down the document name as revision, then if I type revision, then you must have seen that on that box dot and something is written that is already present over there. So that is what? Extension. That extension tells us that what kind of file we are saving. Okay, the extension help us to, with the help of extension, we come to know that what kind of file it is, whether it is an image file, whether it is an audio file, okay, whether it is a document file. Okay, so that extension help us to recognize what kind of file it is. So when we save a file in MS Word, then the extension is .docx. .docx, or you can write it down like this. Okay children, now 5th point. While saving a document for the first time, a dash dialog box appears. When we are done with the work on our document and we are just supposed to save it, then a dialog box appears. What? That dialog box appears when we click on what? Save as. Okay, it asks us that whether you want to save the file with a name or not. Okay, sure. Now 6th point. The tool is used to fill color into an object drawn. Now this is from chapter Paint, Fun with Paint. Okay, so which tool is used to fill color into an object? Yes children, fill with color tool. Which tool? tool. Okay. Next, dash tool is used to write text or messages in the drawing area. Which tool is used to write the messages or words, letters inside the drawing area? Yes, children. Text tool. Which tool? Text tool. 8th. Dash tool allows us to draw a rectangle or a square of different sizes. So children, write down rectangle tool. Okay, with the help of rectangle tool, we can draw rectangles and squares of different sizes in our drawing area. 9th, dash tool allows us to draw circles or ovals of different sizes. So write down oval tool. Okay. Next, 10 point. The two options of view command are. View commands means in how many ways you can view a drawing you have drawn on the screen. You can view it in two ways. Full screen, F-U-L-L, full, S-C-R-E-E-N, full screen, and thumbnail. These are the two views in which we can see the images drawn on the computer screen. 11th, the two options of select command are dash and dash. Select commands are used to cut or remove any part of a drawing in the drawing area. So we can select the drawing in two ways. The first is rectangular selection. The two options of selecting a drawing are rectangular selection, and the next option of select command is free form selection. Okay, so two options are there for select command, that is rectangular selection and free form selection. Here next, 12 point. The folders can be viewed in dash different forms. Now children, views. There are 6 different views in which we can see a folder on computer system. What are they? They are extra large icon, large icon, medium icon, details, list, and small icons. Okay, so these are the different forms in which we can view a folder in computer system. So how many ways? 6. Okay, and these are the views like extra large icon. These are the different forms of views. 13th, a dash folder is used to store documents as hard copies. Now children, there are two types of folders, physical and digital. So physical folder stores the documents as hard copies. Like suppose this is a folder. Okay, suppose this is a folder and here I am just saving the documents as hard copies. Hard copies means which we can hold in our hands. They are in the form of paper. Okay, they are written in a paper. So these are the hard copies. So physical folder is used to store hard documents as hard copies. Dash folder is used to store different types of files in a computer system, and this type of folder is present in computer system also. So these folders are what? Digital folders. Now point number 15, the name of a folder dash be changed. Now children, we can change a folder name with the help of rename option. Okay, so write down the name of a folder can be changed. Okay, you do not write cannot, because we can change a name of a folder on computer system. Okay, that option, that process is known as renaming a file folder. Okay children, we are done in this video. Till this much you have to do in your computer notebook, okay, in this assignment. So now children, you will not get any assignments anymore from now. So prepare yourself for the studies. Okay, it's high time to study. You are having a few days left for the exams. So I wish you good luck. I send you my wishes that you can do good. You will do good in your exams, okay? And the answers, you will write down the proper answers in a very neat and clean handwriting. So children, I'll take your leave now. Stay safe and stay home.